My name is Ola Majekoto. Yeah, one of my friends recommended advanced careers because of the hands-on approach to IT project training. And, I followed it up, discussing with David, and here I am today. I registered for the business analysis training. It was very hands-on, and I think that's the thing I really liked about the training. It was very role-based. We didn't just look at the theoretical aspect of the training, but we also considered a typical real-life business scenario, so that you can then match what the industry expectation is with the theoretical aspect, and it was very, very good. David is very knowledgeable, and he was able to share some useful industry tips with us. I really enjoyed it. The class was very engaging as well. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I will. Because what really stands advanced career training from the others is the hands-on approach to training, and it helps you to really be able to visualize yourself really doing that job in real life, not just classroom theory type of thing. So I would more than happily recommend it to others who are considering a big step into IT.